This is our veg rack. It's old. It was second hand when we got it. I hate this thing and so do the vegetables, so I asked them what they would like as a replacement. I'm not that bothered.
We've not felt so repressed since 1845. Some more space would be nice.
I'm a freaky alien tree.
I like being nestled in with all the other veg. I'd like a nice wide open space that reminds me of home, innit?
Before you start banging on about how I'm a fruit,
Actually, you're canned goods, so you belong somewhere else entirely.
can we get in on this action as well?
If it means getting rid of that stupid King of Beers box. Yeah, sure. You dick. Shorter nails required, I think.